The benefit of events like FutureLink is you bring such a great ecosystem of business leaders throughout that represent companies throughout the supply chain. So altogether, you exchange the problems, you exchange the experience, you exchange the knowledge.
Get started, because innovation is not going to wait for you.
Unfortunately, it seems like supply chain is the last one to get digitalization. Marketing gets it, finance definitely gets it, right? This is an opportunity for supply chain to actually get it. This is your tool.
How do you maintain your agility and your flexibility and that ability to make a rapid decision that's going to matter and that's going to be meaningful, that can then affect the outcome? The agentic supply chain capabilities start to give us a way to start to do that and empower our team members, empower our workforces with agentic staff that then start to augment those teams to enable them to start to manage all of that data, manage all of those complex decisions, and then be responsive to the situations that happen.
You know, the fact that, agentic is game changing. This is real. For me, this is not 2 years from now. This is now. And for us as leaders, and when I was a CIO, the first thing I thought about is, how do I start to take this innovation and I know I have a long-term view of it, but how do I short-term it and start to implement it now in a way that people can understand there's value to this?
This is amazing. Think of what this can do for all our lives. You guys seem stunned. But this is the new world and we're just beginning. It's mind-blowing what we can do. It's pretty clear that we have an opportunity with real-time data, with metadata, with meta-reasoning, with no-code agent development, with this agentic interface, that we have an opportunity to completely transform our industry and transform your business. And it's going to be a major competitive advantage to you. Partners, customers, all of us working together in order to build the most amazing supply chain in the world for the most amazing patients. That's the main purpose. Just never forget that. I never forget that. That's what keeps me going.